All right, another news, the threat of a major toxic chemical tank explosion in Southern California has now been eliminated, but evacuation orders remain in place for nearly 50,000 residents in Orange County near Los Angeles. And authorities say that the crews are continuing to monitor the situation closely after a dangerous chemical leak triggered mass evacuations. Now, fire officials say the pressure inside damaged chemical tank has dropped significantly, easing fears of catastrophic explosion. The emergency began after crews detected a leak. Later discovered a crack in a tank containing 7,000 of methacrylate, a highly flammable chemical used in plastic manufacturing.
We have eliminated the threat of a levee. Our members went into that exclusion zone again to validate what we were seeing and get those temperatures. The crack is there. We have verified that it's there, and the tank has released its pressure. Additionally to that, the temperature has been stabilized and actually reducing. It is currently 93 degrees, down from 100 degrees. That is incredibly positive news as we turn the corner on this incident and reduce those first two options and mitigate this incident.
Now, the facility is owned by JKN Aerospace, which say that teams are working round the clock to contain the risk, and authorities say there is currently no active leak, and air monitoring shows no dangerous chemical release in nearby communities. Evacuation zones remain active across the Garden Grove area, located just a few miles from Disneyland.
We want to be clear that the evacuation zones are still in play. Please abide by those evacuation zones. Once again, we appreciate your support and the patience while we work through this incident together.
Now, federal environmental experts are also assisting at the site after early warnings that a possible explosion could trigger a chain reaction involving nearby tanks. And health officials say that exposure to methacrylate can irritate the skin, eyes, and respiratory system. Authorities say monitoring operations will continue until the area is declared fully safe.